Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a slash command in Zoho Cliq that searches Zoho CRM deals right from chat. Okay, we will write the code together step by step. So in Cliq, go to my profile and bots and tools, commands, create command. Okay, so we will give it a name like deal search and give it a hint. So search deals by keyword from Zoho CRM. Okay, save and edit code. So here we are. First, let's clear this. And then, so let's start by creating a variable keyword. Options dot get name. Okay. So if someone types /deal search dash name and the name that they want, this will store the name as the keyword. Okay. Next is we're going to create the variable user first name, user.get. So we will get the first name of the current user. First name. Okay. So this line, we will get the user's first name so that we can include it in a reply and keep things friendly. Next is we're going to create a map, empty response map. This is where we will store the message we want to send back to the user. Map. Okay. What we're going to do next is check for blank input. So what we are going to do is that we are going to make an if statement. If keyword keyword is equals to null, or keyword equals to blank, we will send a message to the user. Response dot put text hi plus user first name. What we're doing here is that we are setting up the response to the user if the keyword is null or blank. Please enter a deal name to search. Example. Okay. This is our example command. Deal search dash name and the name that they want. Okay. This is only a placeholder. Alright. And we will return the response. So here, I'm checking if the keyword is missing or blank. If it is, we send a friendly reminder message and stop the code there. Okay? So now I'm building the criteria string that the Zoho CRM uses to filter deals. So criteria is equals to deal name starts with plus keyword. Alright. This will only search for any deal where the name starts with the keyword. That's why we use starts with. Okay. Since we will be using this inside the URL, we need to encode it to make sure characters like colons and parentheses won't break the link. So, we're gonna set up a new variable called encoded URL. We're gonna use the encode URL function, and then our criteria. Okay. Next, we will create the URL. So URL is equals to https www.zohoapis.com/crm/v2/deals/search criteria is equals to our encoded URL. This is the actual CRM search endpoint. We're appending our encoded search criteria to the end of the URL. So before we call the CRM API, we need to make sure we've set up a secure connection to Zoho CRM. To do that, go to Connections here at the bottom. Create connection. We will choose this one. Wait for it. We will give it a name, CRM connection. The scope is just find Zoho CRM dot modules.all. Then create and connect. Alright. You should see a screen like this. This is Zoho CRM asking which CRM organization you'd like to connect. If you have both production and developer accounts like I do, pick the one you want to have access. So in my case, I select my production, submit, accept, and I'll just wait for the confirmation. Now it is connected and we're good to go. We're going back to our code. We will now start creating the invoke URL. So let's start by making an invoke URL. This should be records URL. This one. The type get. We will not use parameters or headers. We will use the connection that we set it up. Connection CRM connection. This should be the same as the one you set up with the connection earlier. Okay. First, I'm pulling out the list of deals from the CRM response. Deals is equals to records.get and the data. So we will use the .get data to extract it. Okay, to extract the deals. Now we will check if the deals are empty or null. So if deals is equals to null, or deals is equals to empty. Okay, so inside this block, I'm building a simple message that tells the user no deals were found. Okay, I will use their name and echoing the keyword back for clarity. So response dot put, and then text hi, and the user first name, no deals found for the keyword. Okay, and then finally I will return the response right here. Return response. Alright, now we will create the main message. So this sets the tone like a friendly report header. So message is equals to hi, and then the user first name, and then deals matching, and then our keyword plus. Alright, now we will gonna loop in each deals to pull out the details like name, stage, owner, amount, and ID. For each deal, in deals, we're gonna loop through name, deal that get the deal name, stage is equals to deal that get stage, owner is equals to deal that get owner that get name. Amount is equals to deal that get amount. This should be capital. And then the ID. Okay, deal that get ID. Now we will create the link, CRM link that takes the user directly to the specific deal. So we say link is equals to https crm.zoho.com/crm/org, and then the org ID. We can get the org ID CRM from here in our profile. And in our organization, we can see the org ID. We can copy it. We go back to our code, paste it, and then slash tab slash deals slash and the ID. Okay. So I'm combining the base Zoho CRM URL, my organization ID, which is the number right here that we get from the CRM, and the deal's unique ID at the end. Okay. Make sure to replace this org ID with your actual Zoho CRM org ID. Okay. Okay, let's go. So message is equals to parenthesis dash the name. Next is the stage, and then stage plus up. Okay. Next I'm showing the owner of the deal and the amount. Okay. Message owner. Oops. Owner. And the amount. That I'm rounding it to 2 decimal places. Oops. Round 2 that to string. Okay. Plus. And finally, the direct link to open the deal in the CRM. So message link plus the link plus okay. Now our for each loop is done. We will set we'll add the full message to the response map. So response dot put text. Oops, this should be inside a double quote, and the message, and then we will return it. Return response. Okay, so we return it so that the slash command can display it inside the our click. So let's try it out, and now we're good to go. So let's test it. Slash deal search right here, dash name, and the keyword that you want. So in my case, I'll type it as Python. Enter. So proceed to allow, and as we can see, here it is in a clean and detailed view. with the owner, with the amount, and the link. And if we click the link, it will open up a new tab. Here we are in the Zoho CRM deals module, in that specific deals that we click in our Cliq. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next tutorial.